Tom, tea is ready now.
I am coming, Mom.
Sit down slowly, my dear child.
You look tired today.
I am only a little weak.
Mom, I told you. You need to rest.
I know, dear. Do not worry about me. Go to work on time.
Mom, if I don't care about you, then who will?
Lock the door after me.
Yes, my son.
I will come early. Why do I feel uneasy? Mom looked too pale.
Keep moving!
Something feels wrong. No call yet. Maybe she is okay. I thought it's right.
My chest hurts. Not now, please. Ah. Tom, where's your number? Tom, please pick up the phone. I mean, help me. Please, Tom, me. Tom, my son, help me. Please, I am in so much pain. Don't leave me.
Please get... open your eyes. Mom, what happened? Thanks. Hello, hospital emergency here. Please send an ambulance quickly. Her condition is very serious.
Move carefully! It's a very serious case. Hurry!
Why is my heart racing? Ooh, please be safe. Mom, well, I have no one without you.
Mom? Why is the door open? Where are you?
What happened here? Is anyone here? Please tell me where my mother is. What happened to her? Mom!
She was very weak. They took her to hospital fast.
No.
Your mother is in very serious condition. Hurry up. Don't waste time. Go now.
Please wait for me! Mom, stay alive! I am coming!
Where is my mom? Please tell me now.
What is her name? We admitted her quickly. Her condition is serious.
She was alone. I was not there. Mom.
We must act fast. It may cost $15,000.
I do not have that money.
Money must be arranged by tomorrow evening or danger increases.
Time is very important.
Please decide soon.
Hello, Uncle John. I need help. My mom needs surgery. I'm sorry, but Tom, I don't have that much handy. I'll try somewhere else. Even a small loan.
Sorry, not now.
I understand. Can't help, sorry. Please, it's urgent. Hello? Are you there? This is my last chance. Please help me. Please. My mom may die. Please lend me money. That amount is too much. I will repay every dollar.
You have no guarantee. My mom.
Is dying. Please.
We're done here.
I asked for mercy.
I got nothing.
What can I do?
This money is enough for my mother's operation. This briefcase can save her life. Her body is weak. Do not delay.
I am trying. I will borrow it only. I will return it later. Mom comes first. Just 1 minute. Take money and go. No one will know. This is enough for my mother's operation. She will be fine now. Just 1 minute. Stay with me. I am calling help. Please wake up. Good call. Take her quickly! On 3! 1, 2, 3! Oh, jeez! I save her. I saved her. But I failed Mom. What now? I could not arrange the money for you. I couldn't save you. Mom, if possible, forgive me. Doctor, how is my wife? Please tell me what happened to her.
She was very critical, but you called in time. She will be okay. Just pray for her.
Her condition was very critical. She was saved only because someone called us on time.
If that call had not come,
Your wife would not be alive today.
Thank God. You are okay, my wife.
Thank you. I'm better now.
Tom? He was there? And he saved her? I can't believe it. Tom, sir? Why are you here? Sir, I didn't do anything wrong. I swear I have no fault in those. Please, for God's sake, forgive me. Why did you come? I came for money from my mother. Then I saw your wife, so I left the money and saved her. Emma is alive because of you. Your mother's surgery is paid. Sir, really, I don't even have the words to thank you.
Sir, how can I ever thank you?
I have no words. You saved her life.
You gave me a new life.
You saved mine first.
Mom, don't worry. I will not let anything happen to you. I have arranged the money. You will get well very soon. The doctors will treat you and you'll be fine. I promise, nothing will happen to you. Please don't be afraid.
Tom, we're almost there. Stay with us.
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom. I am right here. I will never leave you. I will always stay with you. I almost fell.
Don't worry. God will make your mother well. Her surgery will be successful.
Yes.
Tom, congratulations. Mother's surgery was successful. She is safe now.
Thank God.
This is all because of the doctors and especially Dr. Wood, sir. Because of them, this was possible.
My son.
Mom, please stay calm. You are getting better now. We will go home soon. I will take you home.
Kindness and goodness saved you more than money ever could. A kind-hearted person helped us at the right time, and you are alive today because of his mercy and support. You are the true light of this home. Mothers are the real happiness of a house.
Promise me you will never leave me alone.
Mom, you will not touch anything again as long as I am alive. I will always take care of you.
Live long, my son. Stay happy always.
Such beautiful stories and emotional moments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.